welcome back guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to give text a background color in Notion. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to highlight the text, or maybe you'd like to emphasize the fact that it's maybe a heading and you'd like to differentiate it from the rest of your text. So I'll be showing you how to do this today in Notion. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm already in my Notion app and I'm just going to quickly type up a heading. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to highlight whatever text it is that you want to give a background color to, and then you're going to click on this little A icon over here, and if you scroll down there will be an option that says background, and it will give you an option to give a certain color to your background, so you can choose between a variety of colors here, and I'm just going to choose red. And now if we go back, as you can see, this introduction text has been given a background color of red. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to give text a background color in Notion, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.